So I'll be showing you how to use voice search in the YouTube app of your Samsung Smart TV. So let's say you're on YouTube and you want to search something using your voice. You don't really need to set up Bixby on your Samsung TV and all that so that you can be able to use voice search inside the YouTube app. All you need to do is go to the search function at the top there, and you'll notice there's a little microphone icon on the left side of that search box. So just make sure that microphone is highlighted and then just select it using the remote. Now, if it's the first time, you'll have to allow YouTube access to your microphone. So just go ahead and from the prompt, just go ahead and allow. And once you allow, now whenever you press that or select that little icon, silent sites here. So basically what you need to do is press and hold. So when you press and hold like this, silent sites here, and release, then it's going to search for you. So you can always go back and search something else. Web Pro Education. There you go. So that's basically how to use voice search in the YouTube app of your Samsung Smart TV. This is without installing or without setting up Bixby or any other smart assistant, just the YouTube app. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.